Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt to make a website on WordPress. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To get started, first we need to open up any web browser and search for Chatgpt from the search bar. We will be redirected to the Chatgpt homepage. After that, from the search bar option in the bottom, we need to type how to use Chatgpt to make a website on WordPress and then tap on the send option. Then we need to wait till Chatgpt is done with providing all the information. After it's done, we need to scroll up and you can see from here Chatgpt has given us a brief detail on how to make a website on WordPress. As we can see, there are several options. The first step is to set up a WordPress website. After that, the second step is to integrate Chatgpt. And lastly, the third step is to test and refine. And after doing all this, we can make a website on WordPress by using Chatgpt.